Kiva is having a field day because I have all these clothes over here that I'm going to show you guys, and she's like,
oh my gosh, this is all for me?
hello everyone and welcome to today's video. My name is Kenzie. If you did not know that, now you know. And you guys, today we're going to be doing a, what's the word? Collective clothing haul. So this is all not from one per order at all. This is from like multiple orders over the last 2 months, and I have been kind of like going nuts when it comes to especially loungewear. I think a lot of people have been going kind of like cuckoo for loungewear right now because of quarantine, and I am in that boat and I'm very excited. I got some tie-dye, so excited. I got some other stuff, so excited. Yeah, we're gonna do a clothing haul. And if you're new to the channel, then hello, I'm so happy to have you. Don't forget you can click the subscribe button to become part of this weird awesome makeup family. And a little disclaimer before we jump into the haul, I know that we are in a rough time right now. I know that quarantine is still upon us. I know that it's still happening. I know that clothes in general right now is not something that's like super important. There are far more important things out there right now going on in the world, so please do not think that I'm trying to be boastful or be like, look at all my clothes. I'm not, literally at all. Same thing when it comes to like my makeup hauls. I'm not that kind of person. So I just want to show you the things that I got, and then if anything that I got that you like, maybe you'll want to go get it yourself or something. But like if you're not in a position to buy clothes right now, I absolutely understand. With that being said, let's go ahead and jump on into the haul. Alright, I have babbled quite long enough, so let's go ahead and jump on in. I may have to get up and pick up the things to show you. I am going to do a try-on portion, so this is one of the first outfits that I did get. This isn't really an outfit, but this is the first shirt right here. This is from Urban Outfitters. And I actually saw Atlee wearing this, and then she linked it, and I thought it was such a cute top. I was like, you know what, I'm gonna go ahead and grab that, and it is so freaking cute. I'm obsessed with it. It's a crop top, and I love it. These pants as well, these are joggers, and I got them from Urban Outfitters as well. I've been wearing these literally non-stop, and I super love them. Okay, so that's the first two things. Let's go ahead and do, these are both from Urban Outfitters, but I don't want to do, the majority is Urban Outfitters, so I'm actually going to go ahead and do, let's do Pacsun really quick. Excuse me, baby, I'm so sorry I had to move you. Oh, you are the cutest little girl. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, you are the cutest little baby. It won't focus. Like, yeah, there you are. She's in a diaper. Yeah. Okay, let's go over here. Okay, these are the two pieces that I got from Pacsun. One of them is literally just a sweater. This is a pink kind of, it's a knit sweater, and it is so cute. I got mine in a size medium because I did like it to be a little bit oversized. I do have a bigger chest, so went a size medium. So here is that, and it is literally so comfortable. This thing was like $20, and it was amazing. I loved it so much, and I didn't think that I was going to like it as much as I did, but like once I put it on and once I started wearing this, I wore this to bed like 2 nights ago, and I never sleep in like sweaters, but it's so comfortable. I'm obsessed with it. Last thing from Pacsun is this cute little crop top. It is navy, and it has 3 little, are these daisies? I don't know what they are, but they're 3 little flowers, and they are so cute, and it's a crop top. It is literally adorable. I'm so obsessed with it. I got this to go with my high-waisted jeans. I want someone to count the amount of times I say the word obsessed in this video. It's not okay. Next up is from Free People. I got 2 of these little like cropped kind of workout shirts. They're so comfortable. I got both of them in a size extra small to small. So it goes from extra small, small, and then medium to large. So I got 2 of these. These are literally the coziest. They are so comfortable. I got a pink, and then I got a white one, of course. They're such good quality, I swear. You can really tell. I used to be a hater of like Urban Outfitters and Free People. I don't know why, but now that I have actually been wearing their stuff, I'm just like, I get it. I understand the hype, and it is really such good quality. I got a one-off item from Lulu's. I don't even know, I've never heard of this brand before until I went on Instagram. Lulu's kept showing up in my not recommended, but it kept showing up like on my feed, and then I followed them, and they do like outfit not organizing, but like they do like picking outfits. They pick outfits and then they take pictures of them, and it's so cool. But I saw this on their website. This is a rainbow cropped sweater, and I nearly fell over. It still has a tag on because I haven't worn it yet. But oh my goodness, I'm obsessed with this sweater. I love the rainbow, I love the knit, I love the colors, and I love the fact that it's cropped. Again, I can wear it with my high-waisted jeans or shorts, and it would just look so cute. I know it's summertime, and I know a lot of the stuff that I'm actually getting right now is like long sleeve or like fuzzy and like sweater material, but like that's my aesthetic. I'm literally in long sleeves right now, and it is 87 degrees outside, and I don't know, I just really like sweaters. I also got a one-off of, this is from Light's label, it's Kathleen Light's brand, and I got one of their crew neck sweaters. I got it in white, and then on the back it looks like this. I love this sweater. I think it's great. I actually did recently buy their sweatpants that she just released like 3 days ago or 2 days ago, and I'm so excited. I cannot wait to get those sweatpants in, because all these tops I can wear with sweatpants too, because the sweatpants are also white. So I'm freaking hyped, and the quality on this is fantastic. I have no complaints over it. It's very nice. I wear this quite a lot, so I'm really hyped about this. Alright, now we can get into Urban Outfitters, so the magical world of Urban Outfitters. First things, I got one of these little crop tops. It's basically like the one from Free People, but it is a different material, and I got it in a green color, and it is so cute. I'm actually obsessed with it, and I can't wait to wear this. I got a pink and a white, so I really wanted a different color, so I got this kind of like navy like camo green color, and I have already worn this one. It's so soft. It is so comfortable. I'm gonna go ahead and show you some jeans really quick, and then we'll move on to the rest of the clothes. One pair of jeans is actually from Madewell, and I'll show you those first. If you watched my last favorites, come back. If you watched my recent favorites video, my April favorites, then you would have seen these in there. These are my Madewell jeans. These are my favorite jeans of all time so far. I love them literally so much. They are the perfect fit. They are fantastic. Madewell is a bit pricey. I definitely understand that. So definitely get them when they're on sale if you can. But these are fantastic jeans. They're like the vintage jean, because I'm the one in vintage, and they have like these little flary thingies at the bottom. I'm obsessed with these. I love them so much. And then I got these jeans from Urban Outfitters. Again, I literally got these because I saw that Kathleen did her haul video pretty recently of her doing her clothing haul, and I saw that she had got these jeans, and I've been seeing them on Urban Outfitters website pretty often, and I'm just like, they look really cool, but I don't know if they're my style or not. But I picked them up anyways because, again, they were on sale. So these right here are the BDG Urban Outfitter jeans right here. They are high-waisted, but they are destroyed, let me tell you. Again, I'll show you when I do my try on, and they're quite baggy, like they're really baggy jeans. Again, I've never worn ones like this, and I don't know if they suit my style or not, but you know what? You can have more than one style, totally. So maybe one day I'll be like, you know what? I got a couple of shirts that may go with that. Speaking of, I forgot one. I actually forgot two. Golly! So I got some shirts to go with these pants because I kind of feel like it has like a punk vibe going on. I got this crop top right here, and it has Pink Floyd on it. Yes, I listened to Pink Floyd. Oh my god, I forgot something else. I am all over the place. Hi. Again, okay, I'm so sorry. Pink Floyd crop top. I'm obsessed with this. It's so cute, and then I think it would go really well with those super ripped up jeans. I think it would look really nice with them. I'll try these on together whenever I do my try on portion. I'll do my ripped up jeans with this, and then with this next top. Next, I got this one. I saw that Kathleen hauled this one, and I hadn't seen this one on the website yet, and I was just like, I had no idea, so I got this as well. This is the Purple Rain Prince t-shirt, and it's tie-dye, and it's purple, and I'm so obsessed with it. Honestly, I kind of wish it was cropped Like maybe I can try to crop it, but I don't know about that. I'm not good at doing like DIYs. So excited about that, and I think that the pink Floyd crop top and this one right here would kind of go well with those jeans. Here's my last denim item. I got a pair of shorts. I have wanted some high-waisted shorts for so long. These are also from Urban Outfitters, but they are Levi's. These are the Levi 501s. That's what it says on the back right there. So I don't know, but they are a little bit too big for me. It is a bit big in the waist. I don't know. I'm weird. So my waist is smaller, but I have large thighs. So it's too big in my waist, but it's actually a tiny bit too tight in my thighs. So whenever I sit down, it really hurts my crotch. And like in my thighs area, so I do have to wear a belt with this, and I think that's fine. Belts are very trendy right now, but I do really like these jeans, and then whenever I sit down I just have to like pull it forward a little so it doesn't hurt. That was all for denim, but I have another band item here. This is a huge sweater and it has Nirvana on it, and I did a outfit of the day post on Instagram, and I had my high-waisted jeans and a sweater, and it was tucked in. This sweater is literally so freaking comfortable, as you would think it is. Like, it is so comfortable, and I got it. I think they had it in this color and they had it in like a white or black, but I'm so glad I got it in this burgundy color. I love it so much. Okay, this piece right here is actually a set, but I don't have the bottoms. The bottoms is coming in the mail today. So whenever I do my try-on portion, whenever I get to this, I should have the bottoms. So I'll show you the bottoms with this top. But this is, oh my god, it's so cute. It is this crop top, and it is so absolutely comfortable. Like, I can't get over how comfortable it is. Like, it looks very wide obviously right now, but like once you have it on, it is so cute. And then I hope the pants fit. Obviously I haven't worn them yet, but I hope the pants fit because the set was so adorable. So I got that, and I can't wait to wear it because I'm going to be wearing it literally every day. Oh, I have a pair of shoes. I'm forgetting everything today. Wow. Big brain. Howdy. These are the shoes. These are my Nike Air Force Ones. These are by Drip Creations. I've seen these all over the place, but I never picked any up. But let me tell you, when I saw Kathleen's video of her showing off all her sneakers, I really was just like, okay, I think it's time, and these are so cool. They were having a sale at the time, and I think the sale may still be going on, but I got these. I thought they were so cute. I don't know if you can see it good, but they are white and they're Nike Air Force Ones, but they have this adorable like flower, like pink flower print on them, and I am literally obsessed with it, and they're so cute. And it has purple in here, so they match so much. They're white, they're pink, they have green, they have purple, so they'll literally match almost everything that I wear. As long as I don't wear chartreuse, I think they'll match. They are so comfortable. I've never had any Air Force Ones before, or Air Forces, or Nike shoes. Maybe like old Nike shoes, I don't remember, but I've never had any good ones like this, and these are so comfortable, and I love them. Had to go wash my hands because I was touching the bottom of my shoes. Okay, everything else is from Urban Outfitters. First things first, this is of course a sweater, but it's cropped. Oh, but it's cropped, so it's fine. This is literally, oh my goodness, this is so comfortable. It is so comfortable. I'm obsessed with this sweater. I love it so much. It's red. Oh, so sad. I also ordered a white one, but I think something happened, and I think that they thought they had more stock than they actually did, so they had to cancel my white one, and I'm so sad. But they did give me a $10 off coupon, and they returned obviously they refunded me, so that was really sweet for the coupon and everything. But maybe sometime in the future, because I've gone back and they don't have the white one anymore. They have like this pretty lilac color that I like a lot, but I really want the white one. So at some point, whenever they have the white one again, I'm getting the white one. But this, oh my gosh, I'm so happy I have this red one. It's actually very warm as well. Maybe this is something that you could definitely wear in the winter and fall time. Fall and winter time, because even though it is cropped, it is very warm because of the material. Very warm. I tried wearing this the other day just at home, and I had it with some biker shorts on, and I burned up because it's very hot, but I love it. It's very nice. Next up is something tie-dye. I got this also from Urban Outfitters. This is the cutest cropped shirt, and it's tie-dye. It's spiral tie-dye, as you can see, and it's got these little frillies. Oh my goodness, it's got these little frillies on the bottom and on the sleeve right here. Like, this is the 90s. I saw that Kathleen hauled this as well, and I had this in on my wish list for like a whole 2.5 weeks. No, a week and a half. I had this on my wish list for a week and a half, and I wasn't sure if I wanted to get it or not, just because I know tie-dye is something that is a trend right now, but I don't think it's going to be in fashion for too much longer. I don't know that though, but I didn't want to spend too much money on this because I didn't know how long it was going to be in style for. But when I saw Kathleen try it on, I was like, too cute, must have, so I bought. It is so comfortable. I wore it yesterday, and it is very comfortable, and I'm obsessed with it, and I love it to literal bits. So yeah. Okay, next up is a sweater, of course. This one's not cropped. It is a full-length sweater, but it is so great because you can tuck it into your jeans. This is again from Urban Outfitters. This is in a nice green color. I would probably tuck it into jeans, but you could bunch it up like this and put an elastic around it, and then like tuck this underneath. Or like if you're wearing a bra with it, you can kind of stick a little bit underneath your bra and have your bra strap hold it. Like down here, have your bra bit hold it in place. But yeah, so cute, very comfortable, so comfortable. I'm obsessed with this. How many times have I said I'm obsessed with something? Like, let's just assume that I'm obsessed with all these. Next up is another cropped sweater. This one is one of my absolute favorites. I like this one a lot. I really do. It is pink. It kind of looks like a carpet, but I am in love, and I love the multicolored. It's very rainbow, and I love that. They have this in so many different colors. I actually ordered a blue one that they have. It's like a light baby blue color mixed with white. And that one got put on the website a few days ago, and I liked that one a lot. They also had like a neutral colored one. They have a black and purple one, and then they have this one, and they have a yellow one, I think. Like, the yellow one is so beautiful. I love that one. But I got this one, and then I got that purple one that's gonna be in the, not purple, blue, that's gonna be in the mail soon, and I love this one so much. Okay, last thing here. This, can you take a guess? It's another crop sweater. Oh, I bet you had no idea. This one, I actually literally saw Kathleen wearing this one in her haul video that she did, and I immediately went to the site, and I know that she said this is not very spring, and it's not. I just love this color. I loved the rose color more than any of them. I think they have a lot of different colors in this, but I clicked through all of them, and then I loved the rose one so much. Even though it's not super springtime, it is more of like a late summer to early fall, kind of like fall color, because it is a tiny bit darker, but I still love it, and I'm gonna wear it during the summertime. I don't even care. But this is another cropped sweater. This one's pretty cropped, so like I do have to be a bit more careful, because if I do like this, you'll be able to see my tatas. Don't want that. So I love this. It's beautiful. I did get a size medium in this as well, so yeah, I love it so much. And you guys, that has been my collective clothing haul for the past like around 2-ish months, and I hope that you enjoyed it. I love doing these clothing hauls. I don't think that I've done one before. I've done like a Boohoo clothing haul, but I've never done one like this before, so I definitely did enjoy that. But you guys, what did you think of the clothes that I got? If you have placed any orders for any loungewear or any kind of clothes in general, let me know what you've gotten. Let me know what stores you've been looking at and buying from. I would love to know that. But you guys, it's going to be the end of the video here today. I really hope that you did enjoy it. If you did, then go ahead and click up the like button for me, and then subscribe if you want to. If you want to see the videos that I post and when I post them, click the little bell down at the bottom there. Again, my name is Kenzie. I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye!